Looking to bring a classic car into the electric era without losing its soul? Meet the Bonnen Battery 96V LiFePO4 Lithium Battery Pack for DIY electric car conversion kit. A premium 30 kWh custom power solution built for vintage auto projects, custom EV workshops, and universal 96V drivetrains. Designed to work with motors like the NetGain Hyper 9, PEP's AC50, and other 96V compatible 3-phase AC motors. This pack delivers serious performance with 300 a continuous discharge and 750 a peak power, plus grade A prismatic LiFePO4 cells, and active balancing smart BMS with CAN bus communication, and custom shaped steel or aluminum enclosures that fit tight engine bays or trunk spaces. With IP67 protection, more than 4,000 cycles at 80% depth of discharge, and compliance with NIS-DS, UN 38.3, C, CB, IEC 62619, and UL. This is the kind of battery that gives your build clean power, strong range, and real peace of mind. Whether you are restoring a Volkswagen Beetle, Porsche 911, VW Camper, Land Rover Defender, Mini, Fiat 500, Jaguar E-Type, or classic BMW and Mazda projects, Bonnen Battery can customize the layout to match your vehicle. Ready to start your conversion? Contact Bonnen Battery today for a free custom design and quick quote.